Hey guys! So it's another day, another vlog tayo ngayon. So for today's video, we will be unboxing my Shein haul. Shein haul, nag-isip ano. So anyway, kasi tumaba na tayo. We've gained weight and there's nothing in my wardrobe that fits me anymore. So I was from extra small and then I slowly moved on to small when I went to the Philippines. And then, unfortunately, when I was in Korea, I think I ate a lot of... So I have a lot of those Korean foods. And, what do you call that? Those samgyeopsal. Oh my god. And so I've gained a lot. So at the moment I'm fitting into small, but it's really tight now and I don't have any clothes left like size medium or large. I think I'm now large or medium-ish. So for today we're gonna see what I bought and try them on, or not try, just like quickly try it on. So I bought, I think I spent over £100 on this. It's very expensive, but I like Shein because, you know. So the reason why I buy this is that my ones are really tight. They're extra small. So we're gonna try this on and then we'll show you what it looks like on us. So here you go, we'll see. So this is size medium and it just fits me. Because all of my old ones, they are small, extra small or small, and it is really tight around here. But there you go, here's my belly too. And let's check the next one. There's still some light outside, like really bright. This is the reason why I love this weather. And none of my trousers also fits me anymore, so I don't have any work trousers at all. And again, this is size medium. Diba? It's very big now. It's huge. And it has a pocket here and it's flare and it's rubberized. Let's see. Come on, if you can see it. There you go. So this is medium. It's nice. It's really like loose, which I like. I really like loose at the moment, but around the waist it fits fine. Okay. Oh, they have geisha. I like this kind of clothes nowadays. And then I have this. This is like I don't know what it's called. Sorry, like this. I don't know what it's called. It's not trousers, but it's like short and trousers together. But it's, see, even this is kind of tight now. See, size medium. In US size, it's size 6. OMG. So let's try this one. Oh, shoot. Where's the front? I guess here. Okay. I'm left-handed, by the way. So The zip needs to be on the left hand side. So here you go. And this is kind of tight then. It's not tight, but it's just enough. Oh, it's the other way around. So this is the back, but anyway. Here it goes. No? But it's, oh my god, I hope that I won't reach large, because I've never been large. Yes. See? Oh, this is like for traveling, so that you will feel very, very comfortable. Let's see. I'm gonna wear this when I go like traveling. Looks like a pajama, to be fair. And then it has this, and you actually, the reason why I have this one is for insert, and you wear it like this. Okay, right? Nice. This is also medium. It's good for traveling, guys, because it's very comfortable. But it's for, I think it's for tall people. And that's it for now. I think I have like second batch of this, because this is not all I ordered. So, yun na siya. I like this one. This. But it's really, I don't know. It's big. But never mind. If people doesn't like me because of my weight, then that's their problem. Okay. We're gonna put it in the washing. So it'll be washed. Okay. And then ironed. And then ready for traveling. This is for my travels actually, so I'm just gonna use it like this with this trousers. So hey guys, meron ulit tayong parcels na ngayon na ating i-unboxing sa mga Shein haul. So patuloy ito ng vlog ko. Idudugtong natin siya. So we got this one, and we're gonna ano din to. Ngayon, lalabhan natin siya. So this is my top. So, ganito. Ay ko. Ito siya. Nindot man kayo ang tela. This is size large. Ay, wait lang. Medium ata. O, medium pala. Medium. Size medium. Tapos, quick na lang tayo mag-vlog. Tapos, this one is dress. Size medium. Kasi lumaki na tayo. So, you know. Pero nakikita man dito yung panty. Kaya manipis man. Oh. Ayan. Manipis yun. And then this one is for traveling, and it's also size medium ang size. Ay, wala namang kasya sa akin, guys. Yung extra small ko tsaka small hindi na kasya. This one is exact lang talaga siya, pero wala siyang bulsa. Tapos ito yung top niya. Labhan din natin. And this is another dress. Oh, ganahan dyan siya pang work. Diba? Maganda. Pero again, manipis siya. Ganito yung tela niya. Pang summer talaga siya. Tapos, itong mga panty kasi size large. Kasi hindi na magkasya yung mga panty. Hindi ha? Ayan. Grabe nung dami ko. Ang laki ng tinaba ko. And then the next one, this one I like the design is very powerful. Powerful sa nung kasya sa atin. O, diba? Kaganda o. Ganda. Try natin siya. Mahilig ako sa mga cords. Oh, sakto lagi. Walang ano. Kailangan ganito na lang talaga yung katawan ko kasi kung hindi, kailangan large ng bilhin ko. Kasi ito nga medyo masikip. Tapos, ito yung top niya. Ay, wait lang. Medium to. Medium. Pero ito no, wala na talaga siyang lulusutan. Ay, naku. Ang hirap talagang tumaba. And then the next is pindot kaayo siya. Pang work ba? Wala na talaga akong trousers, guys. Kaya nagbili-bili na ako ng mga kung ano-ano. OMG. So, medium lahat to. Kaya dapat pala large ang binili ko. Medium. Para may allowance ba? Tumaga. Ito, sakto lang din siya. Hindi na tayo makahinga, girl. Ano ba yan? Grabe lang tinaba. Ang dami naman pala nito. Tapos, this one is ganun din. Ay, falda siya, falda. Cute din siya kaayo. Falda pang work. This one is ano man niya? Ano to? Blouse ni. Pero parang na siyang dress na blouse. Blouse. Nice. Ay, hindi siya nice. Dili ko ganahan sa design. Tapos, ito, co-ords ulit to. Pantalon ulit to, guys. Try natin. Kasto. Wala na, kailangan na ko nang magpapayot. Medium din to. Sakto lang dyan. Maganda pang biyahe. Yan. Tapos ito yung top niya. Cool. Tapos, puro mang pantalon pala to. Puro para co-ords to. Ito naman, pwede pang work. Kay palda man ni. Tapos ito yung top niya. Falda and top. Ito siya. Grabe kalaki dun. Kadako ng medium, no? It's top. Ito, medyo maluwang. Kasi, pero, nice man dyan siya. Tapos ito man yung ano niya. Tapos, last but not the least, daghan pala, is another cords. Kilig ko talaga sa cords ngayon. This one. Oh, Jude. Nice man. Tapos, mahilig ako sa light colors ngayon. I'll buy things for myself ba? Diba? Okay na, Jude siya. Pang biyahe din, Jude. Tapos, pang work. Pamasyal. And this is the top. Yung mga top lang niya, crop top. So, that's it for now, guys. This is our Shein haul. Shopping haul. Diba? Ang dami ko palang binili. Kaya pala sabi ko, bakit 100 plus yung binayaran ko? Madami pala siya. Anyway, that's that. So, ang hirap maging mataba. Ang hirap maging payat kasi kailangan mo magpalit ng wardrobe. Thanks for watching.